Most six-figure careers demand a master's degree and a decade in a cubicle. This one requires a rope, a harness, and nerves of steel. But the unique pay structure of this job is about to make you rethink the true cost of a desk job. Welcome to the world of rope access wind turbine blade repair. It is industrial alpinism, where your morning commute involves a 300-foot vertical climb into the clouds. You cannot simply apply for this life. You have to buy your entry ticket. The gatekeepers are SPRAT and IRATA certifications. Expect to drop $2,000 for a single intensive week of training that fails 40%. The unspoken truth is that you become a nomad. Companies do not pay for your commute. They pay for your complete availability. Rotations run 8 weeks on, 2 weeks off. Your home becomes a sequence of budget motels in the windy corridors of Texas and the Dakotas. Here is where the math gets interesting. Hourly wages are for amateurs. You get a day rate, usually $300 to $500, but the secret weapon is the per diem. Up to $250 a day tax-free, just for existing in a remote location. If you sleep cheap and eat cheap, that allowance becomes pure, untaxed profit that boosts your effective income by 30%. But gravity isn't the only enemy. Seasonality is. You make bank in the summer and bleed cash in the winter. It is a feast-or-famine cycle that bankrupts the undisciplined. If you can handle the height and the solitude, breaking $100,000 is mathematically probable. It is not easy money, but it is fast money. And the view? That is just a bonus. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll catch you on the next one.